Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. So let's start with today's session. The world today is facing complex challenges: climate change, inequality, pollution, unemployment, water crisis, and failing ecosystems. In the middle of all this, the Sustainable Development Goals were created as a global roadmap to protect the planet and improve human lives. The session is designed to simplify these goals and help you understand not only what they are, but also how they come alive at the local level. You will see how global commitments transform into practical actions in your community, your city, and even your home. First of all, understanding SDGs, the Global Survival Blueprint. The SDGs are 17 global goals adopted by all 193 UN member countries in 2015. They are a universal call to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all by 2030. These goals are interconnected because no single issue exists alone. Education influences health, climate impacts agriculture, and good governance supports economic growth. The SDGs replaced the Millennium Development Goals but expanded their scope to include all countries, not just developing ones. They bring together social, environmental, and economic priorities into one unified agenda. Now, why SDGs were created? The wake-up call. Before 2015, humanity faced rising temperatures, polluted oceans, widening inequality, and unsustainable consumption patterns. Governments realized that short-term development was damaging long-term survival. Thus, the SDGs were created as a global agreement that development must be sustainable, resilient, and people-centered. They are not just goals. They are commitments made by nations to secure a livable future for the next generations. Now, structure of SDGs: goals, targets, and indicators. Each SDG comes with specific targets, 169 in total, that explain exactly what must be achieved. Along with these are over 230 indicators that measure progress. Targets are the destination, indicators are the GPS. This structure ensures that countries cannot just make promises. They have to show measurable progress backed by data, policies, and action. How SDGs are localized? What is SDG localization? Localization means translating global SDG targets into regional, state, city, district, village, and community level actions. It takes the big global commitments and turns them into on-ground solutions such as education programs, waste management initiatives, clean water projects, local jobs, and awareness campaigns. Localization connects global vision with community reality. Now, why localization matters? Every region has unique needs. A coastal town requires climate adaptation, while a drought-prone district needs water conservation. Cities need smart transport, while villages need basic sanitation. Localization ensures SDGs become practical, relevant, and measurable for each community. It transforms big global ideas into local, everyday actions. Now, levels of SDG localization. Localization happens at multiple levels. At the national level, SDGs are integrated into laws, policies, budgets, and national development plans. At the state or regional level, governments align local projects, schools, hospitals, roads, renewable energy with SDG targets. At the district level, administrative officers directly implement programs such as health drives, education initiatives, or sanitation campaigns. At the city level, municipalities adopt SDGs in waste management, eco-friendly mobility, water systems, and public services. And at the village level, local councils focus on sanitation, clean water, nutrition, renewable energy, and community health. Finally, at the household level, families adopt sustainable habits like saving water, reducing waste, and supporting local products. Now we have the 6-step localization framework. Localization typically follows a structured process. The first step is awareness, where communities, officials, teachers, and youth are educated about SDGs. The second step is mapping, which identifies community challenges and links them to specific SDGs. Next comes planning, where local action plans and budgets are designed. Implementation follows, involving real projects, water conservation, solar energy, waste management, and support for local farmers. Examples of localization in action. Localization can be seen everywhere. A town installing rainwater harvesting systems in schools and fixing groundwater issues is localizing. SDG 6, Clean Water. A city launching waste segregation, expanding green spaces, and building cycling lanes is localizing. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities. A district introducing digital classrooms and teacher training programs is localizing. SDG 4, Quality Education. A village switching to solar streetlights and planting a community forest is localizing. SDG 13, Climate Action. These small steps create real impact, one community at a time. Now, the role of individuals in localizing SDGs. You play a critical role in localization. Every small action, from saving water using cloth bags and recycling waste to supporting local farmers and spreading awareness, contributes to SDGs. When individuals behave responsibly, societies transform faster. The role of corporates in SDG localization. Businesses localize SDGs by aligning CSR activities with community needs, reducing carbon emissions, adopting renewable energy, supporting marginalized groups, promoting gender equality, and ensuring ethical supply chains. Their influence and resources significantly accelerate localization. Now, government's role in SDG localization. Governments transform SDGs into real action by making policies, funding development schemes, building infrastructure, driving public awareness, enforcing environmental regulations, and tracking national progress. They are the backbone of large-scale SDG localization. Now, the youth, the most powerful drivers of SDGs. Young people bring innovation, energy, creativity, and bold ideas. They lead climate movements, launch sustainability startups, organize community cleanup drives, and spread awareness on social media. Youth-led action accelerates SDG localization faster than any other demographic. Now, putting SDG localization into practice. How communities can create a local SDG action plan. Communities can develop a simple 10-step plan, identifying local issues, mapping them to SDGs, developing project ideas, forming teams, setting timelines, budgeting resources, launching initiatives, tracking progress, and celebrating achievements. This structured approach helps communities create measurable change. Now, have a look on the tools used in SDG localization. Localization uses tools like SDG dashboards, community surveys, GIS mapping, sustainability scorecards, environmental monitoring systems, and national indicator frameworks. These tools ensure data-driven decisions and transparent progress tracking. Now we have some challenges in SDG localization. Localization faces obstacles such as limited funding, poor awareness, weak data systems, political pressures, urban-rural differences, and climate risk. However, strong partnerships, community involvement, innovative technologies, and consistent monitoring help overcome these barriers. Now just have a look on the future of SDG localization. The future will be digital and community-driven. Countries will use artificial intelligence, satellite monitoring, climate models, big data, and blockchain for tracking SDG progress. Localization will increasingly rely on youth leadership, green technologies, inclusive governance, and global cooperation. So SDGs begin with you. The Sustainable Development Goals are not just for policymakers, they are for you, your family, your school, your workplace, and your community. The SDGs represent a commitment to building a cleaner, safer, fairer world. Localization transforms this commitment into real visible change. And meaningful change begins with simple daily choices made by millions of people. Remember, global impact starts with local action, and local action starts with you today. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, keep watching TNV Academy and like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative content.